Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my Tuesday 60-second winter DIY. Today I've got a treat for you because I've made 3 60-second DIYs. We're going to shop at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to be using some wooden beads, some snowballs, and some supplies to make a darling snowman. Whee! So what do you say? Let's get started on my 60-second winter DIY. And for our first 60-second, we are starting out with some snowballs. I got them at Hobby Lobby, and these were some free wooden things that I got from a friend. You also need a big needle and just some string to tie it all up. Clock has started, and let's get to making our snowball garland. So as I'm putting this together, I am stringing it along, and look at these beads. Oh my, stop the clock. I didn't realize that they didn't have holes on both sides. So I had to go and gather up my own beads there, and we were fine and continued on. And so I found these little snowflakes as well, just to kind of put on there every now and then. But we're stringing this together, and it just came together beautifully. I've got about 20 seconds left, and we're going to make a quick white little tassel out of that thread. I did pick up that thread at Dollar Tree. And so we're just going to create that and put it on the end. Sometimes I have a little trouble when I put those on, and I just hot glue it. I also use this galvanized snowflake, and ta-da, it is done. I love this garland. It is so cute, so wintry, and so easy to put together. Just make sure you have beads that have holes on both sides. And notice that beautiful galvanized picture. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby in the 90% off. All right, so are you ready for the next one? Here comes number 2 DIY. This is a candle holder that I picked up at Dollar Tree. It's really pretty because it has that silver on it. And then I have this, everybody sees those top hat ornaments from Dollar Tree. And then just some kind of glittery floral pick. Ooh, the clock has started. What I'm first going to do is take that hat and sort of turn it into a winter look rather than a Christmas look. So I cut off the little holly leaf and added some of the sparkly floral pick just on there a little bit, hot glued it right on. And then I had my snowflakes just sitting around there, those little sticker snowflakes from Dollar Tree. So I grabbed that and I just put one of the small ones right on the hat, and instantly it turns into a winter hat. Next, I've got some of the fairy lights. And again, you can put anything in here you like. I just love those lights. And since I have to turn them on and off, I just tack down the hat on top with a little bit of glue. And then I can just gently lift it up and turn the lights on and off as I want to. I also, for the last touch and 5 seconds left, this little round mirror I also got at Dollar Tree. It just makes it look even more wintry. I made it! Ta-da! And his little friend there, the wooden snowman with the matching scarf, I picked him up at Dollar General. And if you didn't have any lights, just grab a package of some fake snow or Epsom salt and put it inside as well. You can even add a face with a Sharpie or some buttons. I love how this came together. Are you ready for number 3? Let's get started. I picked up this 3-piece ready set utensil and napkin. I think these are fabulous. I think it's perfect for a small little gathering. You don't have to do anything, just put these out, but we must decorate them. So the clock has started, and look at these napkins. They're super thick and really big, and I think it's just perfect for a quick little gathering. I just took some of the black satin ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to tie a quick little bow around the whole set. And right away, it just really dresses it up nicely. And then I had those silver little poinsettias with the clip on it from Dollar Tree as well. Pop that on, and how New Year's Eve is that? I did all three of them, and I just think they are beautiful. And check this out. I beat the clock with 15 seconds left. Look how it came together. The only thing I will say is it does shed some of that glitter. You might spray them with a clear spray, some Mod Podge or something, but it is worth it. Look how stunning. It looks like you spent a fortune on this, and we know it's from $1.25 Tree Store. So thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it all. I don't usually do 3, but I was just so excited with all the things that I had. I have Tuesdays 60-second DIY, and Saturdays are my full DIY episode. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.